Let's talk about HBAR. A lot to get to because we have a token unlock coming, which could produce a little bit of downward pressure here in the short term, but it could also produce a massive opportunity, perhaps a buying opportunity for people looking at HBAR closely. We're also going to talk about this recent partnership with FedNow, what this means, and what's been happening on the Hedera Hasgraph network lately, because there are a lot of things to be bullish about when it comes to HBAR. We're also going to take a look at the price action. So, ton of things happening in this HBAR video. All I ask, guys, smash that like button down below. I'm going to get us all set up and ready to go on the HBAR chart too, because things are looking juicy over there. But after you smash that like button and subscribe down below, you know what it's time to do. It's time to hop in here and get down to the nitty gritty. We have to start with this token unlock, all right? So Hedera's setting out for a 1.15 billion token unlock. So according to data from the Token Unlocks web app, it's coming out here September 1st, the unlock. And these 1.15 billion tokens are worth approximately 57.5 million as of writing. Now, don't freak out. It doesn't mean everyone is going to sell and $57.5 million worth of tokens are going to be sold. In doing so, people are going to be buying the dip if there is a little dip. HBAR is currently trading at about 5 cents right now, a little bit above it, as we can see here. Right now, about 5.5 cents, close to that number. We'll go ahead and go into the 1 day so you can see what's been happening here. And HBAR has been on a nice little uptrend, which we'll talk about that here in a little bit, because HBAR, when our XT algo indicator flashed not too long ago, really produced a nice gain here. Here's on the 1 day chart where the indicator flashed. And if you'd have just went up to this first possible retracement down, that's a 17% move. If you would have went up a little bit higher, about a 40% move, all the way up to about 7 cents is when our indicator basically flashed that we could have a possible retracement down. But we zoom out a little bit, or zoom in rather. This is the 1 day outlook right now. So we have been on the up and up since less than, right around 4 cents or so. We have been on a nice little uptrend, dialing back a little bit right now, and we could be getting ready for a big opportunity. Just yesterday, we got momentum down indicator, and we could have a little bit more of a sell-off with this token unlock coming in a few days. However, after that is when we could get that next signal, that momentum up signal. As soon as we get that on the using XT algo, my indicator, that is when I'm looking to make a play, both short-term and long-term. Of course, if you want access to XT algo, no better time than right now. Huge discount running. Instead of $47 per month, it is $37 per month. Listen, total refund if you don't like it in a month. Full money back guarantee. I'm telling you guys, though, you execute a few successful trades using my indicator. I show you how to use it after purchase. I'm telling you, this is something you should give it a look, because if you're not going to use my indicator, you should use another one. If you want to become a better trader, you want to know when to get in and when to get out, you have to have some tools at your disposal. And this is built by the industry professionals, somebody who's been in the industry 20 years. I spent a lot of time and money on this thing, been using it for months, and now within the last 10 days, I've brought this to the market, getting some great feedback here. So again, that is an option for you down below. Check that out after the video. But we've got a lot more to get to here, because data indicates that roughly 24% of the tokens will be allocated for ecosystem and open source development, so that's good. 22% for purchase agreements, 15% on network governance, and about 7% for initial development costs and licensing. Despite initial challenges towards the end of Q1 2023 due to an exploit in the Hedera mainnet, HBAR has seen a huge surge because recent integration of Hedera's instant payment platform drop into U.S. Federal Reserve's FedNow program has been announced, and this is huge. FedNow introduced drop as an alternative to credit card payments, and this is running on the Hedera network. So this is offering merchants the ability to accept small value digital purchases without the burden of huge transaction fees. Drop supports micropayments using HBAR, as well as the US dollar and Circle's USDC, providing a pay-by-pay bank option for these transactions. This is big because there aren't too many networks out there that are really good at handling all these microtransactions. HBAR is one of them. Stellar is another one. Now, Hedera itself is basically a little bit different with that hashgraph consensus, making it fully decentralized, open source, proof of stake, EVM compatible public ledger, and having a leaderless consensus algorithm. This confers the network with the highest level of security and performance theoretically possible. This is why FedNow went with HBAR. Now, recently, it has also integrated ChatGPT for a more streamlined asset management and monitoring system. And get this, we have seen a user base jump by almost 300% in Q2 of 2023 year to date, signaling that things are heating up on the Hedera Hasgraph network. People are coming in. We went from 3,500 to 13,500 year to date. Now, the current metrics for the HBAR token were in a cautious optimism because, of course, we have just the bear market playing out. The potentialities, though, in its integration of AI and the blockchain remain areas of speculation and enthusiasm. But this FedNow partnership, to me, has really, really got me excited about the future of HBAR, legitimizing it in a ton of different ways, obviously, now. And it's already a top, 35 crypto. Investors and users should keep an eye on Hedera's future plans after the unlock as well. Now, again, we shouldn't see a ton of downward pressure with this token unlock. Again, a lot of these tokens are allocated for various operations here, okay? And we could see a little bit of a mini sell-off, especially if it's coupled with a, market-wide sell-off. Right now, I'm watching things very closely with HBAR. I am looking for my next big play, my next big entry point. And again, we just got momentum down on the one-day indicator on using our XT algo. What I really like to do best, I'm not much of a day trader. I'm more of a swing trader for me. Now, you can use XT, on the 5-minute chart, right? I mean, you can go in here and you can see it, on the 5-minute. There's going to be a ton of indicators, right? I mean, you could have made momentum up right here. That would have been a nice little, we're talking momentum up to right there, about almost a 1% gain. I mean, you could trade this thing every minute on the minute if you want. I'm more of a swing trader. I like to keep it in the one day, and I'm looking to make those 10 to 20 to 30 to 40% moves within a couple weeks' time, maybe a couple days' time, just depending on how volatile the asset is. So right now on the one day, we got the momentum down, and it's exactly how it was supposed to play out. The next day is today, and we are heading down. Right now, we're coming up on this token unlock. I want the tokens to be unlocked, see where the shoe drops, and then have the opportunity to make a play here as soon as our XT algo indicates that we've hit a local bottom and we could be coming up. So, again, XT algo, the link down below in the description. And yes, I'm selling this thing hard because, guys, it has helped already a ton of people. I'm getting some great feedback. I've got just over 100 customers right now, paying customers, and got 3 emails last night. Zach, I'm using this to trade Apple stock. I'm using this to trade the SPY. Finally, I have a good indicator on when to get in and when to get out. People using it for Bitcoin, Ethereum trading, all the altcoins as well. It's used for everything. Crypto, stocks, Forex. Super pumped to finally have my own product out here and be able to bring it to market. Already getting some great feedback. So again, if you're interested in that, check it out. Link down below. And don't forget about that discount code in the description as well. But that's what's going on with HBAR, guys. A ton of things happening with the token unlock, with the FedNow, with the ChatGPT integration. A lot of things to be excited about. And overall network activity boosting up. So this is going to be one to watch. Year to date, HBAR still up 47.5%. I think there's going to be a lot of chances to make some positive trades here. And obviously, long-term, absolutely love HBAR from a long-term investment standpoint. So we'll be keeping tabs on this, especially after the token unlock to maybe make a play. We'll be keeping tabs and appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.